Hello everybody. Today BC Auto has a 2011 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter with 53,000 miles on it. It's a crew cab 5.9 liter 5.9 liter 5 foot 9 inch bed, rust free, came from Southern Illinois. It's got a bed rug mat in it. Tailgate has no damage. Rear bumper has no damage. Flex fuel. Side of the bed does have one small ding, and that's the only damage on the bed at all. Does have Goodyear 20-inch tires. Really good tread. Chrome aluminum wheels. Chevy mud flaps on it. This door here is in real good shape, no damage. This front door does have a couple of dings. I don't know what it is about these moldings, but glue wants to come loose on them. Good driver's side fender. Headlights real cloudy. Does have a good bumper end on it right here. The fog light. Looks like the grill got damaged. Quite a few tail dings on the hood here, as you can see. Hood got a little dent right there from the accident. Well, you can barely hear that motor run. Got these rain guards. Black interior. Did blow the bag, so the seat belts are locked. Nice leather seat. Good center console. Looks like that seat's in really good shape. $52,825. AM FM radio. Trailer brake switch. This is the crew cab option. Does have this don't really know what this is, some kind of a toolbox or storage compartment for underneath the seat. Nice leather back seats. Running board. Okay, if you're looking for any parts for a Silverado, or you need a 5.3 to do a LS swap or something, give us a call or check us out at bcauto.net. Have a good day.